I belong to a division which is called the Audience and Advertising Division, and my team is working on digital innovation which are touching the digital space and the content space. And what we're basically doing is that we're working on three main topics, which is the TV meeting the internet, the digital education, and the personal big data, mainly all the things which are around the quantified self, Internet of Things, etc. And we're working on things like on social TV, TV Check, which is a TV screen companion. We're bringing some internet services inside the set-up boxes, for instance, or we are bringing some kind of aggregators in education. We're aggregating content for the user to learn English, for instance. We've started to work on that because we've seen that the behavior of the user in front of the TV, of the big TV screen, was changing. People were starting to multitask, even if they are not always multitasking with an activity which is directly linked to the program they're watching on TV. They are multitasking. Mainly 50 to 80% of the people are multitasking, so we wanted to simplify this experience by giving them a way to customize and personalize a one-to-one relation with the TV program. Mainly relying on things like the social conversation with Twitter, Facebook, etc., the gaming part with the idea of the kind of Foursquare for TV, and the content discovery element. For me, it's not a competition. Obviously, we've been doing OTT even before the OTT name was created. For instance, TV Check is an OTT product. You don't need a subscription to be able to use that. So OTT is more, I would say, a distribution mechanism. It's also a kind of state of mind, a spirit, a way to deliver services more than the technology or anything. So it's not against, it's something with. And as a matter of fact, it's a good way to go fast delivering a new service without taking all the constraints of a fully managed service. So both are important, and more you will see collaboration between the OTT and non-OTT worlds. I think it's always important to bring APIs. This is something we've started on our own 5 years ago with the Orange APIs, which was pretty avant-garde way of trying to engage with developers. I think we've been seeing in many other initiatives, for instance, things we've done and we continue to do in WAC or in other places where we try to join forces in order to give elements to developers, that what is absolutely key is to give not only the technical elements but also the business conditions to bring value for the developers when they target their audience. So I don't know exactly about will we be part or joining, etc. I'm just saying that it's very important to have both technical and business elements in mind when getting to that, and that we've been doing already a lot on bringing some APIs to the developers.